Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maythe for those of you who are new here, and today I actually wanted to share my IKEA COVID experience. And so I am moving out of my parents' house in a couple of weeks, and I'm actually going to IKEA just to pick out some furniture that I've seen for my new apartment. And so I thought it might be fun to bring you guys along if you guys are interested and to see how IKEA is right now or how it looks. So I actually went yesterday and I tried to record some of it, but it was just crazy. Like, I was not expecting it. I will insert that footage here so that you guys see what yesterday was like. We made it to IKEA. Types of cameras are so like normal that like if people see like a camera, they just automatically think that you're like a vlogger. So this is the entrance. So I guess it really is like Disneyland, huh? No way. What's this then? This is like Space Mountain. This is crazy. Almost there. Really? Waterway?
You take the elevator on your right hand for the cellar. Oh, thank you.
We made it inside.
And then just carry it down.
Today I'm actually going more prepared, so today I'm leaving earlier to be one of the very first ones who's there, only because the pieces that I've been looking for, they are currently low in stock, and so I want to make sure that I get there before they open. That way I could just rush down and grab it. I did grab like some accessories and like just things for like the kitchen and like the bedrooms and like things like that, but yes, it's just crazy, like completely crazy. Yesterday I wore brand new Converse, okay, and if you know, you know. Today I'm wearing running shoes, and yesterday I actually put a little bit of concealer and blush on. Today I'm not wearing anything just because I had to have my mask on, of course, the entire time, and it was really hot yesterday. In my opinion, LA, even though it was only 84, it felt like 100 because it was like very humid. And so today I'm not wearing anything on my face. I just washed it, moisturized, and now I'm just getting ready to go. It is currently, hang on, I'm trying to find my phone. So it is currently 9:14. So the store opens at 11, but keep in mind that I am an hour away. So yeah, let's go. I will see you in IKEA. Let's go. Give Starbucks. We're actually in my parents' car too, so all the stuff will go back here. Also, we are behind schedule. Oh wait, that one's super ahead. It's 9:32.
Oh, so we're still on time?
I mean, we're behind by 2 minutes.
No, we said we'd leave.
These are come-ups. Hot as hell. The line for the elevator. I think this is returns.
Right there, where's the chocolate? You forgot the chocolate. It's not here.
Look everywhere.
I looked in the bag.
If I find it, what am I gonna do?
Alright guys, so I did get home from Burbank a little while ago. I got home maybe like 3 or 4 hours ago, but I was super tired and I just wanted to hang out and just relax, which is what I did. And so that's why I'm here picking up the video. I just wanted to end this little IKEA video vlog thing. I haven't seen any of the IKEA like COVID videos, and so I'm not sure when they opened back up, but I think it was pretty recent. So I just kind of wanted to put a video out just in case anybody was in the area and wanted to go. So yeah, I think that all in all, IKEA is doing a really good job at being able to like make sure that all of the guidelines and like rules are being followed. They actually have employees who are like asking very nicely that if your mask does not cover your nose, make sure it's like covering, which is, you know, kind of like the point, and then make sure that you keep like the social distancing. So I think that's pretty cool, and I'm really happy. I wasn't there for too long. Yesterday I was there for maybe like 2 or 3 hours because I had to like actually go through the store just to see what kind of things I wanted to get for my new apartment. I mentioned that I am moving out, and so I will be going in about 2 weeks. So I'm really excited. If you guys are interested to see what I bought at IKEA, I actually bought some furniture and then I bought some accessories. Also, if you didn't get a chance to enter my giveaway, it's actually going to be closing on Wednesday. I'll be announcing the winner on Thursday. And if you're still interested in joining, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and just leave your Instagram in the comments down below. If I have anything else, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm having so much fun making these videos. I want to say thank you to anybody who has subscribed recently, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you guys have a great week. Hello, welcome back to my channel.